If you like the content on our YouTube channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, turn on the notifications, and we'll keep the content coming. Right now, you're looking at an update video on our 2020 Mercedes Benz SL550 vehicle that we were rebuilding. This was a freshwater flood damage vehicle. Right now you're looking at the finished product that's ready to go. It's going to be sold with a rebuilt title from New Jersey. We do offer financing on our rebuilt vehicles. We deal with a great bank. They offer great rates if your credit is good. As you can see, no corrosion, no rust. Very low miles on this vehicle. I think under 2,000. Let's do a quick walk around. Very happy with the finished product. It's in excellent condition. In the previous vehicle, you'll see we had the whole interior of the vehicle taken apart. This is an option on the vehicle, glass roof, convertible. Not all of them have this option. We took apart the whole vehicle, went through it with a fine-tooth comb, cleaned it, dried it, sanitized it, made sure everything is working. We're looking at the finished product right now. Really nice. The body's very clean. Let's take a quick look inside. As you can see, the vehicle's very clean. We stand behind all the vehicles that we repair. We bring them back to their original state, good as new. Sell them 25 to 30% below retail value. We'll post it on the website. If you're interested, feel free to give us a call. Thanks for watching.